Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this beautiful body wave wig. I'm going to show you how I slayed this frontal and these curls, all of that. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. So here is the box I received from Reshine Hair. They sent me 180% density body wave wig. It has HT lace, and they also gave some goodies along with the wig. So little utensils you can use to style your wig. I really like that. And those little scissors, I never really get those. So that was cool. And this is how the wig is looking before I bleach the knots. This wig does need a little bit of plucking, so I did that off camera. I actually had to do it twice because one time I did not pluck it enough. So I started doing the install and I was like, no, I need to redo this wig. So I did it the second time and cut off the lace. So please forgive me, guys, but I'm going to show you how everything is looking the second time around. Of course, I'm using Gots to Be Glued, my fave. And this wig actually had a larger cap, so I had to really like press down the lace and stretch it out. So it was a little bit more difficult for me to install, but if you have a larger head, I think it's perfect for you. You know, I guess I just realized my head isn't as big as I always thought it was. But the good thing about having like an extra large cap is you can really like customize it and get it to fit right around your ears and everything perfectly, as I did here with the baby hairs. So of course, I couldn't get this wig to lay down perfectly the first time around, but you don't have to worry about that. If you see a little bit of white marks, once you go back in with that scarf and really let that lace melt and wipe off any excess glue, like at least give yourself a good hour and your wig will be flawless. That's how I got this bad boy to lay. But I am not worried about that right now. I'm just getting these baby hairs right and just making sure everything looks cute, neat, as natural as possible. I love my swoops. And of course I had to work on this parting space and everything, getting it smooth and nice and sleek for those curls, because I noticed once I prep my hair and get it real straight before I curl my hair, the curls come out so much better. Now towards my sideburns, I noticed the lace was lifting as I was styling it. So all you have to do is go in with the Gots to Be sprayed and press it down, back with the blow dryer, and it'll be as good as new. I had to show you guys that clip just for those who don't know, because I actually just learned that myself. Just making sure every little bit of lace is laid properly will make a big difference in your install. Like, you don't want anything showing. And I am going back in, making sure that part is as straight as possible. And then we're gonna get straight into these curls after I use my hot comb for the umpteenth time. I'm telling you guys, your hot comb is your best friend when it comes to these wigs. So here is the final look, how this hair turned out. I am loving it. I hope you guys are too. You can see it's laid like this frontal, laid to perfection, and it does not shed or tangle. You will not be disappointed if you purchase this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please show your support. Give your girl a thumbs up. You know I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And if you haven't already, check out this makeup tutorial, okay? So until my next video, peace.